In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, what exactly is a form in ActiveCampaign? Well, forms are an essential element that helps you gather information from your audience. Whether you're collecting email addresses for a newsletter, gathering feedback, or even registering participants for an event, forms are a fantastic tool to engage with your audience. To start, you'll need to log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the Forms section of your dashboard. You can find this on the left-hand side of the screen under Site. Just click on that, and then you'll see an overview of any forms you've created in the past. Now we'll create a new form. Look for the Add Form button, usually located at the top right corner of your screen, and go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a new page where you can begin the form creation process. ActiveCampaign will prompt you to choose between an inline form, which you can embed directly into your website, or a floating widget or pop-up form. Let's go with the inline form for today. After selecting that option, hit Next. Next, you'll be greeted with a template where you can customize your form's fields. The default fields are typically name and email, which are great for most purposes. However, you can modify this. If you'd like to add or change any fields, just click on the plus sign to add more options like phone number, address, or any custom fields you may have created previously. Remember, the key here is to keep your form simple. Too many fields can discourage users from filling it out. Once all your fields are set the way you like, it's time to customize the design of your form. You'll notice on the right-hand side, there are various design options available. You can adjust the color schemes, fonts, and button styles to match your branding. Personalizing the look and feel can significantly improve user experience. Now, let's move on to the Options tab. This is where you can set up what happens after someone submits your form. Will you want them to see a thank you page? If so, you can easily set one up here. Alternatively, you might choose to display a simple message directly on the form itself. Either option works great. Just tailor it to what feels right for your campaign. After you've set that up, it's time to integrate your form. Click on the Integrate tab to connect your form to your email list. Choose the list where you'd like to add the contacts that fill out the form. You can also configure any automation that should be triggered when someone submits the form. Once you're satisfied with everything, don't forget to hit the Save button. Your new form has been created. But wait, we're not done just yet. You'll need to get the embed code or the URL for your form so you can share it on your website or social media. ActiveCampaign provides you with the code right after you save, so copy that and head over to where you'd like to use it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form in ActiveCampaign. By following these steps, you can engage with your audience effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe.